New stricter public health regulations kicked off on Tuesday, and those who fail to wear a mask at 8 kinds of public spaces now face fines of up to 15,000 NT dollars. In addition, with a few exceptions, all arrivals to Taiwan, including Taiwan nationals, will have to present documentary proof of a negative PCR COVID test to be allowed in. The Central Epidemic Command Center says airlines are within their rights to refuse boarding for passengers who fail to provide proof of this test.
On Tuesday morning, Dongmen Market opened to hordes of shoppers. It's December 1st, the first day of the government's new winter public health regulations. Face masks are compulsory at 8 kinds of public spaces, but walk around the market and you'll find some vendors' sans mask. It's only after the camera focuses on them that they put it on.
有讲，因为早上太忙了，忘记带哈，现在应该要带，那市场要带，外场我不晓得要不要带。
疫情你会进到室内。
If you are planning to go indoors or be in proximity with strangers, you should wear a mask to protect yourself.
There's also new rules at Taiwan's borders. A traveler shows a medical report. This sheet of paper is practically an entry permit to Taiwan. She says it costs her 4,000 NT.
对，要检查这个，没有检查不能够搭飞机啊，还要交一笔钱很多。4000块呢？啊，4000块哈，4000块可是4000多吧。
The new rules require arrivals to provide a negative PCR COVID test to enter Taiwan's borders. The only exceptions are for emergency visits, such as funerals, for people who are unable to get a test in their country of departure, and for certain cases approved by the CECC.
所谓的国人可能不符合前面这些条件。
Taiwanese nationals who don't meet the aforementioned criteria, but who have problems acquiring a test, these travellers must provide valid reasons in their statements. After entering Taiwan, they'll still have to pay for a test.
Travellers without proof of a negative test must present a statement at the border. Showing up with an invalid statement can incur a fine. Airlines may also deny boarding.
这个部分的话，确实是需要尊重这个。
In this case, the passenger must abide by the public health rules laid out by the airline. If the contract between the airline and the passenger is subject to other regulations, of course, those will have to be respected.
The government hopes the stricter winter regulations will keep the coronavirus out of Taiwan.